Hello students, Archimedes principle. Look at the page, jar 1 with full of liquid. Dipped an object, then some liquid flow out of the jar. Look at jar 2. Weight of the liquid flown out is equal to weight of the object dipped in. This is Archimedes principle. Weight of the liquid flown out is equal to weight of object dipped in it. This is Archimedes principle. Simply definition by saying upthrust force experienced by a body is equal to weight of liquid displaced. This is Archimedes principle. Actually, same information has been told like this. Upthrust force experienced by a body is equal to weight of liquid displaced. Upthrust force F equal to rho Vg. Rho is density of the liquid, V is volume, G is acceleration due to gravity. Now, law of flotation, floating, law of flotation. A body dipped in liquid can float only if the weight of liquid displaced is equal to its weight or more than its weight. Look once again, body dipped in a liquid equal to weight of liquid displaced is Archimedes law. Weight of liquid displaced is equal to weight of the body or more than its weight. Let us imagine W is the weight of the body, U is the weight of liquid displaced. W is the weight of the body, U is the weight of liquid displaced. Both are equal. W equal to U. Body floats inside water. Both are equal. Body floats inside water. W is less than U. Weight of body is less than weight of liquid displaced. Body floats at the surface of liquid. On the surface of liquid, W is less than U. If W is greater than U, body will sink to the bottom. If W is greater than U, body will sink into the bottom of the vessel. Notice, if object density is greater than liquid density, not the weight of the object, it is the density of object. If the density of the object is greater than density of the liquid, object will sink to the bottom. Look, here is not weight, but it is density. Viscous force, nothing but friction force. Viscous force is nothing but friction force. This friction force is in solids. Viscous force is in liquids, between liquid layers rather. Let us go to the definition of viscous force. Force opposing the relative motion between the layers one on one of liquid called viscous force, and the property is called viscosity. Force opposing the relative motion between the layers of liquid called viscous force, and this property is called viscosity. It is similar to friction. Already we discussed friction arises between solid surfaces, where viscous force arises between the layers of liquid. Liquid with more density have more viscous force. Liquid with less density have less viscous force. For example, honey is more viscous than water. Viscous force F equal to minus eta A dV by dx. Minus indicates opposing nature as friction. Eta equal to coefficient of viscosity, A equal to area of liquid layers, dV by dx equal to velocity gradient. Viscous force F equal to minus eta A dV by dx. Next definition, surface tension. Very important definition in liquids. Surface tension. Force acting per unit length of liquid is surface tension. Force acting per unit length of liquid is called a surface tension. Sigma equal to capital F by small l. Its unit is Newton per meter. Same way, surface energy, work done per unit increased surface area of liquid is called surface energy. Surface energy W by A. Viscous force F equal to, wonderful, minus eta A dV by dx. Surface tension sigma equal to, great, capital F by small l. Surface energy equal to W by A. Enjoy the page. Now pause the video, start to fill the blanks as it is. Best of luck.